Namaskar everyone. Dhruti, Pavitra, Purab, Namaskar. How are you all? How are you all? Very good. Okay everyone. Namaskar. Let's join our hands, close our eyes for our deep vandana. Okay?
इस दीप को प्रज्वलित करके हम सारे वातावरण को शुभ और कल्याणकारी करें। इस दीपक की ज्योति से सारे शत्रुभाव मिट जाए। इस पावन दीप को हमारा नमस्कार।
Rub your hands. Put them on your eyes. Open your eyes slowly. Namaskar everyone.
Namaskar.
Did you all have your breakfast? Sorry. First of all, did you all have bath, children?
Yes,
Did you brush your teeth, everyone?
yes.
Did you have your breakfast?
Yes.
Milk? Did you drink milk?
Yes.
फिर अपने बड़ों के पैर छुए, सबको नमस्कार किया सुबह सुबह। The way Dipali ma'am teach you all. किया? सुबह सुबह सबके पैर छुए, नमस्कार किया बड़ों को, मम्मी, पापा, दादा, दादी, everyone. Did you do that? कितने लोगों ने किया था सच बताना? हाँ, रियली? ऐसे ऐसे हाथ उठ रहा है, फटाफट तो नहीं उठा। Okay, very good. Just a minute. Okay, let us start our today's class, everyone. Let's see. Let's see what is today's classwork and homework, everyone. Are you able to see the board, children? Okay, our today's classwork and homework, let me show you like this. Our today's classwork and homework is, can you see the board? Today's classwork and homework is all opposites in notebook 2 times, and the same is your homework also. What is today's date, everyone? Today's date is 12/1/2022. Okay, everyone. And what is the current topic we are learning right now? Which topic are we learning right now, everyone? Opposites are two things or two words which are different from each other. Different from each other. वो एक दूसरे से बिल्कुल अलग होते हैं. Different. They are different. Out. Fat opposite thin. Tall opposite short. Big opposite small. Hot opposite cold. Hot opposite cold. And then what was the last one? Okay, up, opposite down. Opposite down. Then the extra ones which we learned: near, opposite, far. Near, opposite, far. Then what else did we learn? Girl opposite boy. Then day opposite night. Very good. So what are we going to do today, everyone, children? Today we are going to write all the opposites in notebook. How many times? Very good. Just please give me a minute. Until then, everyone will take out your notebook. Yes, take out your notebook, pencil, eraser. Okay? Write down CW and today's date. Off your camera, everyone.
Your camera. Super malu. Kita band karon kan tiap kita band.
Yes, beta. Please take out your notebook, everyone. Write down CW and date, everyone. Yes, beta. Yes, beta. No, you don't need to draw. If you want to draw, it is okay. But if you don't want to draw, it is okay. If you want to draw, I don't mind if you want to draw, no problem. And if you don't want to draw, just write the opposite. No Gujarati in the class, and everyone please listen to me. From tomorrow, everyone will sit in their uniform in the class. आप लोगों ने uniform लिए हैं? You used to come to school in uniform? This is also your school. It is online school. So from tomorrow, wear your uniform and sit in the class. Okay, everyone?
Okay.
Thank you. Okay. Are we all ready, children? Did you write CW, date and heading?
Wow!
Yes or no? Okay, please write CW date and heading. Okay, I will start the first opposite with Aradhya. Aradhya, namaskar. Unmute yourself, Aradhya.
नमस्कार मैम।
अगर आपको ड्रॉ करना है तो इट्स ओके, यू कैन ड्रॉ, नो प्रॉब्लम. Okay, Aradhya, please tell me what have I drawn in the first opposite? What have I drawn in the first opposite? Is it, Aradhya? Is it big opposite small, beta? The first opposite.
Hot opposite cold.
Very good, excellent. Thank you, Aradhya. It's hot opposite cold. Hot opposite cold. Cold. Thank you, Aradhya. After that, Aharnish. Tell me the second opposite, beta. Tell me the second opposite, Aharnish.
Up and down.
Very good, Aharnish. Very, very good, beta. Up opposite down. Up opposite down. Thank you, Aharnish. After Aharnish, Amoli.
ભાઈ નો કર્યું. હાલો.
Amoli, tell me what is the third opposite? Big opposite. Very good. You should say big opposite small. Big opposite small. Big opposite small. Big opposite small. Hot opposite cold. Hot opposite cold. Up opposite down. Up opposite down. Big opposite small. Big opposite small. Next is whose turn? Let me see. After her is Dhyani. Dhyani, namaskar, beta.
नमस्कार मैम।
Okay, Dhyani. Which opposite is this? Fourth one. Which opposite is this?
Pink.
No.
લોંગ છે.
Long.
Tall. Tall opposite. Short. Tall opposite short. Tall opposite short. Tall opposite short. Thank you, Dhyani. Next is Isham. Isham, namaskar. Isham, namaskar. Tell which opposite is fifth one? Which is the fifth opposite?
Opposite out.
In opposite out. In opposite out. Thank you, Isham. Very good. In opposite out. Okay, let me see next. Whom should I ask after Isham? I would like... Okay, Shrey. Shrey, namaskar. Shrey. Namaskar, Shrey.
नमस्कार।
Shrey.
नमस्कार।
Hello, beta. Namaskar. Shrey, tell me which opposite is this, beta? On number 6.
कौन सा ऑपोजिट है वो?
Yes, beta.
ये क्या है? क्या है ये? ऐसा
मैम ठीक ऑपोजिट थी।
No, Aharnish. आपको नहीं बेटा. Let Shrey speak. Aharnish, wait, beta. Yes, Shrey. Tell me. Yes, it's fat opposite thing. Very good, Shrey. Very good boy. Thank you for trying. Okay, next I would like Dhruti. Dhruti. Okay, Dhruti. Tell me the next opposite, beta. Very good. Fast opposite slow. Fast opposite slow. Very good. Thank you, Dhruti. After Dhruti, whom should I ask? Purab. Purab, beta. The eighth one. Can you tell me the eighth opposite? Yes, beta. Please tell me the eighth opposite. Very good. Happy opposite sad. Happy opposite sad. Okay, everyone? Now you can continue writing. Just a minute. Can you see the full board? Is it visible to you people?
Yes.
Okay, please start writing 2 times and then we will go to attendance. I'll give you 5 minutes. Please start writing fast. The first one is hot opposite cold, hot opposite cold, up opposite down, up opposite down, big opposite small, big opposite small, tall opposite short, tall opposite short, in opposite out, in opposite out, fat opposite thin, fat opposite thin, fast opposite slow, fast opposite slow, happy opposite sad. 2 times, Aradhya. Yes, yes, it's correct. You can write. Please write it 2 times, Aradhya. Yes, thank you, Pavitra. Good. Okay. 1 minute, please. Excuse me a minute, please. Finish writing, everyone? Done? Very good. We'll start with the... Off your camera, please. We shall start with the... Okay, Pranshi, no problem. Please continue, no problem. Aradhya, please off your camera, beta. Thank you, Aradhya. The same is your classwork. To write it 2 times in your notebook. Parents, please alternate करके दीजिएगा उनको सीखने. Not always in, opposite, out. I can give out also on this side and they have write in. I can give short on this side. They can write tall. So please keep alternating the opposite. Okay? It's not always big opposite small. It can also be small opposite big. It can also be sad opposite happy. Okay? Slow opposite fast. I can give any of the 2. Either of the 2 in the first preference. So give them practice to write both. Hot opposite cold, hot opposite cold, opposite down. Very good, Harshit. Thank you, beta. Thank you, Harshit. Okay, up opposite down. Big opposite small. Big opposite small. Tall opposite short. Tall opposite short. In opposite out. In opposite out. Fat opposite thin. Yes, Riva, very good. Thank you, beta. Fat opposite thin. Fat opposite thin. Fast opposite slow. Fast opposite slow. Happy opposite sad. Riva, please off your camera so that others can write the class. Okay, Vani, done. I have seen your work. Thank you. Very good. Should we switch on to our attendance now, everyone? Should we switch to our attendance? Okay, Vaishnavi. Show it to me properly, beta. Okay, done. You have to write it 2 times, Vaishnavi.
Okay.
Yes. Done, everyone? Should we switch to attendance, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Who was saying, ma'am, mera dekho? Who is this? Is it Isham? I can't see you, beta. I can't see you. Agam. Your camera is clear. Beautiful. Very good. Clear. Okay, Agam. Your camera is very blur, but it's okay. I hope you have written your opposites 2 times. Okay, Vian? Okay. Sis, did you write that? Yes, sis, I have seen already. That's what I am asking you. Did you write it 2 times, sis?
Yes.
Okay, done. Thank you. Okay, now we'll switch on to our attendance. Okay? A minute, please. We'll start with attendance. Done. Very good, Kanshi. Done. Let's start with attendance, everyone. Okay. Start with reading of words. Okay. Who should we start with? आज बीच से शुरू करेंगे. Let's see how many in the class. 21. That is 20. Okay, Isham. Let's start with Isham. Isham. Okay, beta, please read the first word. Sorry, beta. Crab. What is the second word? Very good. Thank you, Isham. Okay, after Isham, he is Jia. It's Jia now.
Yes, ma'am.
Jia. Please read the third word.
Frog.
The next word.
Train.
Very good. Thank you, Jia. After Jia is Harshit.
Ma'am.
Please read this word, beta. Drop. Very good. Drop. Drop. Okay, next is pram. Pram. In which we take small babies out. to walk, to stroll. Okay? Pram, pram. Very good. Thank you, Harshit beta. After Harshit, I'll take Dhyani's turn. Dhyani, namaskar beta. Try and read this word beta. Dhyani.
वो नहीं है मैम, बाद में.
Okay, नहीं है. After Dhyani, I'll take Dhruti. 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 Please read this word beta. Try and read it. Aradhya, off your camera beta. What word is this, Dhruti? हाँ, फिर ये क्या है? What is the sound of U, Dhruti? G. Slug. 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 बोलो Dhruti. Very good. Thank you. What is the next word, beta? Please read it fast. Flag. 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 Egg. Egg as in bag. Bag. Tag. Flag. Flag. Dhruti, repeat please. Thank you, Dhruti. Okay, after Dhruti, please read the next word, please, beta.
मैम बोल. यानी.
Yes, Dhyani, I'll wait, Dhyani, okay? Tirth, you please continue. Very good. Claw is the blend and double F is the double consonant. Claw is cliff. Repeat, Tirth.
cliff.
Very good. Cliff matlab undi khai. And everyone else also who is after whose turn I have already taken or I am going to take, आपको भी इन लोगों के साथ ये बोलना है. You are muted, but that does not mean that you do not repeat these words at home. Parents, this is to build their vocabulary for their reading practice. उनको भी बोलिए कि इन लोगों के साथ बोले ये words. Okay, everyone?
Okay, ma'am.
You will also repeat. Everyone will repeat. चाहे जिसका भी टर्न हो, सबको बोलना है पीछे आपके घर पे. Got it? Thank you. Okay, then Tirth, which word is this, beta? Black. Black. C and K make the same sound. Black. Black. Repeat, Tirth. Beta, it's black, not blank. Black. Color black. Okay?
Black.
Okay, just a minute. Okay, next is Aharnish. Aharnish?
Yes, ma'am.
Aharnish, please read this word. Clip, very good. What is this?
APU.
Plum, very good. Clip, plum. Thank you, Aharnish. Aradhya, please read the first word, beta. C and K makes the sound K. Aradhya. Aradhya.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read the word.
Clock.
Very good.
बेड़ा ऑक
Br. Br. No. What is the sound of I? Very good. Thank you, Aradhya. Aradhya के बाद है आगम. Agam, please read the next word, beta. Sorry, beta. What is the sound of R and A? R and A? Racket. Very good. Next is truck. Okay. So that is it for today, everyone. आज जिसका अटेंडेंस लिया उसके बाद वालों का मैं मार्क कर लूंगी. Tomorrow we will start with the other half. Okay? That is Riva, Jianshu, Niva, Pavitra, Purab, Pranshi, Shrey, Vaishnavi, Vani and Vian. Okay, beta? It will be your turn tomorrow to read.
Okay.
Thank you, everyone. What did we learn today, everyone? We learned opposites in notebook 2 times. Okay, everyone? We'll see you tomorrow. Thank you. Namaskar. Have a good day. Good day.